Happy birthday! Happy birthday! 46 plus 1. Ang sabi niya sa post niya, 46 plus 1. Happy birthday! Lola Taba, lola ka na, so dapat magpakalola ka na. Ayusin mo na buhay mo. Just kidding. Alam mo naman ang wish ko sa'yo. Ano nga ba? Hindi ko alam. Basta kung anong wish mo, yun na rin ang wish ko sa'yo. At sana, makamit mo na agad yun. Nakamit mo na nga ba? Para namang nakamit mo na. Siyempre, ang maging Lola of the Year! Yay! So, hindi ko na ito pahabain. Happy birthday uli, Lola Taba. And thanks for the friendship. Sana magtagal ang friendship natin forever! Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Love you! Bye-bye!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Analim. Happy birthday, 7th birthday. More blessings and more power to your channel. Sana hindi ka magbabago kung ano kung nakilala kita. Ingat ka dyan palagi at sa iyong pamilya, ingat rin kayo dyan. Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Mwah!
Kaibigan, hindi ba ito yung taong pwede nating takbuhan? Takbuhan sa oras ng kalokohan, tawanan at lalong na sa oras at tayo ay nahihirapan. Kaibigan na nag-aas ng kumot na mayakap sa tuwing tayo ay malungkot at kinakabahan. Kaibigan na iyong masasandalan na tutulong upang bigyang kaginhawaan ng kalungkutang iyong pinagdaraanan. Nagpapasalamat ako na nagkakilala tayo. Nagpapasalamat ako na tamang tao ang nakilala ko. Sa kahit abusadong mundo ay pwede pa pala akong magtiwala ng buo. Asahan mo na di ko malilimutan ang ating mga pinagsamahan. Dahil ito na'y nakatatak sa aking puso't isipan, mga memoryang aking babalikan dahil di ka lang basta kaibigan, kundi isang kapatid na di ko malilimutan.
Hi, good morning. I would like to say happy birthday to my Freshie Annalyn vlog. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon. So, ilang taon ka na ba? At sana more blessings sa channel mo, more revenues to come, at marami pang mga marami pang mga friends na darating sa buhay mo, hindi lang sa YT, even though sa sa personal mo. So ayan, and then wish ko sa birthday mo is maging happy ka today, and then magiging supportive lola ka pa sa apo mo, sa mga anak mo, and then sa asawa mo, of course. So yan lang, and happy birthday sa iyo. Sana mabusog mo yung mga biskita mo. Ipakain ba dyan mamaya? So ayan, so happy birthday and God bless you, more blessings and more birthdays to come. Thank you for this opportunity.
Ma'am Ana, happy birthday po sa'yo. More birthdays to come pa po sa'yo. Wish you a good health point to your family. Sana ma-reach mo pa yung goal mo sa YT. Good luck po sa LS mamaya. Enjoy your day. Andun lang po kami sa baba ng lahat ng kakilala. Magsusupport po sa'yo. And once again, happy birthday, Ma'am Ana.
Hello, Ma'am Ana. Happy birthday sa'yo. Alam kong excited ka na sa yung LS ng iyong birthday para mamaya. So, good luck and congrats. Sana ay makamit mo yung mga gusto mo sa buhay. And hopefully, more birthdays to come and more bless pa dumating sa iyong buhay at sa iyong buong pamilya. Mula po kay ABM Official Vlog, binabati po kayo ng maligayang kaarawan. Kita-kits!
Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, good evening. to all of you, everyone here in YT, and then all people, all subscriber, all visitors today in her live. Today is a very special day for her, yeah, Maria Ana Lim, celebrating a birthday party. And alam nyo guys, I have a little words to reveal like that. I know Maria Ana Lim and YT, of course, but she's kind, and yeah, she always communicate with me, asking for so many things, you know, how are you, like that, how was your health, like this. And she's a kind person, yeah. And I wish that Cici, today in your birthday, more blessings to come, and of course always health, and God always be with us, and enjoy your day. This is your day. Yes, today this is your moment, and this is your day. And you know, maraming people na nagmamahal sa'yo. Yes. At isa na ako dun sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo, no matter what. Kasi iisa lang po yung buhay natin sa mundo, at no matter what, we don't know until we stay alive in this world. But salamat at napasok ako sa mundo ng YT, kasi nga this yung aking purpose, to meet people, to help people as I can do. And once again, I love you so much, and happy birthday, and good luck, enjoy your day. At yeah, once again, happy birthday to you, and more blessings with your family. And stay healthy, stay happy, happier in your mind, in your heart. Yes, God is good. I love you.
I would like to greet you a happy birthday, and I wish you the best of everything.
Hi Cici, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Sana mag-enjoy ka, and sana hindi lang sa YT yung pagiging friends natin, and for real life. Wish ko sana good health always, and hindi ka magkakasakit, and maging malakas ka para sa family mo, and lalo na sa iyong apo. And alam mo naman, nandito lang ako palagi para sa iyo. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. Oh, that's what friends are for. Bye-bye.
Please join me in inviting President Barack Obama and Kehinde Wiley to unveil the portrait.
Happy birthday to Beauty Gonzalez. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. Ingat po palagi. Bye!
Years to come, enjoy your life and be happy always. Don't forget to pray to God. Thank you. Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power, at lagi po ingat. I love you.